Hi, welcome to Isha's Kitchen, and today's vlog is going to be a recipe vlog. By the time you know what's cooking, so let's make pav bhaji. Firstly, let us have a look at the ingredients. You need half a bowl green peas, 1 lemon to squeeze, fresh coriander, 1 medium-sized cauliflower, 1 medium-sized capsicum, 2 potatoes, 2 onions, few cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, and lastly a small piece of ginger. That's it, total of 10 ingredients. The first step is chopping the cauliflower. Cut the base, and using your hands you can divide the cauliflower florets. Similarly, chop the capsicum as well. If you are into cooking or you are learning it, you need to master this art of chopping the veggies because it plays a very important key role in what your dish is going to taste like. The four ingredients that are going in the pressure cooker, they are cauliflower, peas, potatoes and capsicum. Add little amount of water in each and place the lid on each of it like this. All set to cook for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, this preparation is for ginger garlic paste. In case you don't have that much time, you can use the ready-made one that is available in the market. But since I love everything homemade, I'm gonna make it. These onions are going straight into the mixie. Minced onion is ready, so is our tomato puree. Everything is ready, right from our ginger garlic paste to our veggies are also cooked properly. I am using the Suhana's pav bhaji masala. In a kadhai, heat some oil. To it, add ginger garlic paste and minced onion. In spices, there goes the turmeric powder, garlic onion tikhat, which makes the pav bhaji tasty. This is not red chili powder, guys. Stir till the oil starts leaving. That's when you need to add the red chili powder for a nice color. Add tomato puree, mix it well, and let it cook for a while. Again, now when the oil has started to release, add on the boiled veggies like capsicum, cauliflower. Mash them with the help of a spoon. You can also use a masher if you have. I have also added up the green peas, but still there's one more ingredient left to be added, that is potatoes. Salt to taste. Peel off the skin of the potatoes. Usually the boiled ones, the skin slips off very easily. They are piping hot, so make sure you don't burn out your fingers. Crush the potatoes and put them in the bhaji. You can add little water if required. Till our bhaji is getting cooked, let us fry the paos in amul butter. Atli butli delicious amul. Cut the pav from the center into two equal halves and spread some butter evenly. Now place the paos one by one on the hot tawa and apply some more butter. Served with soft butter toasted paos, this hot tempting pav bhaji is such a dish that's loved by all. Nice blend of veggies, flavorsome and fulfilling meal, taste outstanding. Garnishing is adding a final touch to the dish and giving it a final look. It not only makes it look appealing but also enhances the color palette of the dish. Nothing too fancy but simple garnishes like finely chopped onion, lemon wedges, and coriander. Freshly chopped coriander can make a big difference. Since we are making cheese pav bhaji, the main magical ingredient here is cheese. Using a grater, grate the cheese cube in over the bhaji and some also on the top of the paws. I would love to hear your lovely comments on to which one do you prefer, the cheese one or the plain one? If you ask me, I would undoubtedly go with the cheese one. This looks mouth-watering, lip-smacking. One more thing which I forgot to tell you is the preparation time. If you're a beginner, then your preparation time is more than the actual cooking time. Preparation time is 1 hour and cooking time is half an hour. That becomes a total of 1 hour and 30 minutes for a beginner. Next time you host a dinner party, pav bhaji should be on your menu list. Hope you enjoyed this homemade version. If you want me to make more such videos, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to get notified. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.